Hello students, we start allotropy. So can you tell what is allotropy? So student, two or more distinct crystal structure for the same material is called the allotropy. Allotropy, allos means other and trops means manner. Or allotropism is a behavior exhibited by certain chemical elements that can exist in two or more different forms, known as allotropes of that element. In each allotrope, the element atoms are bonded together in a different manner. Element of group 16 exhibit allotropy. Oxygen has two allotropes, oxygen and ozone. Sulfur exists in a number of allotropic forms, rhombic and monoclinic sulfur. Students, sulfur form more than 30 type of allotrope, and rhombic and monoclinic sulfur are the important allotrope of sulfur, and both are non-metallic. Selenium exists in two allotropic form, red and grey. Tellurium exists in two allotropic form, crystalline and amorphous. Similar, polonium reveals two allotropic form, alpha and beta. If we discuss about allotrope of sulfur, sulfur exhibit numerous allotropic forms. However, rhombic sulfur, that means alpha sulfur, and monoclinic sulfur are the most important allotrope of sulfur. Allotropes of sulfur, rhombic sulfur is a polymeric solid and large crystal composed of S8 molecules. In monoclinic sulfur, this is a structure fine needle-like crystal. Other ring molecules such as S7 and S12. See in the picture, rhombic sulfur is just like a crystal and monoclinic sulfur is just like a needle shape. If we discuss about rhombic, that means alpha sulfur and beta sulfur. The color of rhombic is pale yellow, monoclinic is a bright yellow solid. Shape of rhombic sulfur is orthorhombic and monoclinic sulfur is a needle shape. Melting point of rhombic sulfur is 385.8 Kelvin, monoclinic MP is 393 Kelvin. Density is 2.069 per cm3 and monoclinic sulfur density is 1.989 per cm3. Solubility, rhombic sulfur insoluble in water and soluble in CS2. Monoclinic sulfur soluble in CS2. Stability, alpha sulfur stable below 369 and monoclinic stable above 369. Structure, in both is 8 molecule having puckered ring structure. Method of preparation, rhombic sulfur prepared by evaporation of roll sulfur in CS2 and monoclinic sulfur prepared by rhombic sulfur method in a dish and cool till crust is formed. So this is the allotropes of sulfur.